A quick Lunar Classic and market update for you guys on this beautiful Monday morning. Let's jump straight into it. Oh, sorry about that. Lunar Classic right now down almost 4%, while the overall market is down by 1.87%. So we are moving downwards faster as we speak than the overall market, and the price over the last week has been going down quite steadily. I mean, Bitcoin has gone down recently, and we are seeing Lunar Classic right now as we speak, just doing a similar movement to what Bitcoin does. I know, I'm not sure how you guys feel about it right now. I remember about 2-3 months ago when I was talking about this, saying how Lunar Classic and all crypto is pegged to the Bitcoin, basically, right? If Bitcoin has a dramatic move downwards, the whole market moves downwards. And I remember a lot of people fought me on this about Lunar Classic specifically. But let me know down in the comment section if that frame of mind has changed yet, or you still believe that Lunar Classic doesn't really have much to do with Bitcoin. Because as we see right now, Lunar Classic losing this little bit of an uptrend that we had going there, and we are heading downwards. We still haven't dropped past this low here, but we are dropping downwards. And as you can see, if we do just look at the Bitcoin chart here, we did have that sharp drop downwards there on Bitcoin. So kind of mirroring what Bitcoin's doing there. You can see, talking about Bitcoin while we're on this chart, we have been playing between 16.9 and really 17.350 for the last few days, right? This whole month, really. And every time we've dropped down to this level right here, 16.9, we've bounced off it, and there's been some very nice gains to be made here if you were short-term trading. Now, I'm not too sure what's going to happen at this point in time, but if you do want to do some trading here, you can trade over on BitGet and get up to $10,000 worth of a deposit bonus. But a really cool thing is you can dollar cost average and buy on spot with 0 fees on BitGet. So what I'm doing right now, I'm dollar cost averaging, I'm buying with 0 fees, and then I'm moving my long-term holds over to something like this cold storage wallet. That's how I'm keeping myself safe. You guys can make the best of the deposit bonus if you are trading. You guys can make the best of the 0 fees if you are dollar cost averaging. So that's what's happening with Bitcoin. The overall market, like I said, down 2% today. Most things down. We did have quite a nice move there over the weekend, but again, we've given back those gains, with one of the biggest losers here being Dogecoin. I do have a position in Dogecoin, and that is a gamble play, right? Anything really in crypto is a gamble play at this point. I do believe in the future of crypto, but something like Bitcoin, something like Dogecoin is of course going to be a little bit more volatile than the overall market, just because it is, right? It's a meme coin. That's what it is. It's going to be volatile. Just like Lunar Classic isn't necessarily a meme coin. It has a whole ecosystem behind it, a really good community. But these things are going to move volatile, more volatile than the overall market, especially in the conditions we are right now. With that said, we did have a nice mover here with USTC up about 1% today and moving quite nicely. Actually, over the month, we are actually in the green, which is nice to see over this month when most cryptos are down. The repegging is still very much something that people want to see. I don't know if that's going to happen. Of course, I did a big trade with USTC a few months ago. I told you guys about it. I got a moon bag for totally free with USTC, so I still hold that. I got my Lunar Classic holding it for hopefully some sort of run. Now, overall, the macro of the world, crypto, stocks and shares, all of that is not looking too great. So there is some time that we have here. Use this time to grow your knowledge, to learn, to grow as a trader, or whatever it is you want to do. We are in a bear market. We've got time now. There's no point in hoping that we're going to pump 500% tomorrow, because it most likely won't happen for any crypto, right? You may get these little small outliers, but most likely we're not going to see that until really things start to pick up. Now, I do think that things will start to pick up next year, going into 2024, and probably seeing the bull market in 24, 25 time. That's what happens with the halving cycle. That's what we've seen time in and time out with crypto and Bitcoin, but we really don't know what's going to happen. So stay safe out there. Of course, you just got to keep going, right? We got to be patient in this market. That's how I see it anyway. And just with that said, we look at the chart here, we can see that overall we have just calmed down, given back most of these gains that we had here, but very, very similar to what's played out in the past. Big run up, and then sideways consolidation. Big run up, sideways consolidation, until another big catalyst, a big news event where people get excited and the price goes up. What are we going to learn from this? If we get violent moves here, don't fight whoever's telling you it may be time to take profits. Don't go against them. I understand we believe in the future of Lunar Classic. That's perfectly fine. It doesn't mean that you can't take profits here and rebuy back here. And you may be angry that might cause more volatility, but that is crypto. We're here to make money. And I'm sorry, I'm here to be a realist. So if you like that sort of thing, do me a favor and smash the like button. With that said, we do have Rich Dad Poor Dad's author saying Bitcoin holders will get richer when the Fed starts to print trillions of fake dollars. So he reckons the money printer is going to turn back on. Let me know down in the comment section. Do you think the money printer is going to turn back on? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.